वेलकम बैक टू इन्फोडोट्स। आज हम एक इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक पे बात करने जा रहे हैं जीआरपीसी के बारे में, और ये कैसे फास्ट है और बेटर है रेस्ट के कंपैरिजन में। आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू हाउ जीआरपीसी वर्क एंड व्हाई इट इज़ बिकमिंग टॉप मोस्ट चॉइस फॉर द माइक्रो सर्विसेज। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द बेसिक। gRPC is RPC framework developed by the Google in 2016. It allows one machine to call a function of another machine, just like calling a local function. In simpler term, gRPC make it easy for different services like microservices to communicate each other efficiently. इसका मतलब एक सर्वर से दूसरे सर्वर से डायरेक्टली बात कर सकता है बिना ज़्यादा टाइम और डेटा वेस्ट किए। Imagine you have two services like an order service and a payment service. Using gRPC, order service can easily talk to payment service almost like making a simple function call. Now the magic of gRPC comes from the way it handles the data. gRPC uses something called protocol buffer instead of JSON, which is used in REST API. ये एक प्रोटोकॉल बफर है, एक बाइनरी फॉर्मेट में डेटा को कंप्रेस करता है जो जेसन से ज़्यादा फास्ट होता है। दिस बाइनरी फॉर्मेट मीन्स लेस डेटा इज सेंट एंड इट मूव फास्टर अक्रॉस द नेटवर्क। इंस्टेड ऑफ सेंडिंग लॉट ऑफ रीडेबल टेक्स्ट लाइक जेसन, gRPC send small compressed data, make everything faster. Now important question come here, why gRPC is faster than REST? So there are two reasons. First reason is protocol buffer. It compresses the data into small binary format, which is much faster than sending the large JSON format that REST use. Second reason is gRPC use HTTP2, which allows to send and receive at same time on the same connection. REST API use HTTP 1.1, which can handle only one request at a time, making it slower. With REST, if you send multiple requests, they process one by one, but with the gRPC and HTTP2, you can send many requests together, speeding up the process. So let's break down into a simple example. Imagine your order service need to communicate with your payment service. When the order service want to validate the payment, it make a call using gRPC. The order service send a binary format using gRPC. This request handled over a single efficient HTTP2 connection. The payment service process the request and send back quickly and efficiently. The entire process is 5 times faster than traditional REST method because the binary data format and the HTTP2 multiple stream. तो अब सवाल आता है gRPC का यूज कब करना चाहिए? So it's simple. When you need a high performance and have many microservices that need to talk each other, gRPC is the best option. In simpler terms, if you are building a system with lot of microservices like large application or cloud-based system, gRPC is faster and more efficient. gRPC is great for mobile app because it uses less data and power, making it ideal for low bandwidth environment. That's it for today. आपने सीखा gRPC कैसे काम करता है और ये REST से फास्टर और एफिशिएंट कैसे है, especially in microservices. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and don't forget to follow me on the LinkedIn and Instagram. Thank you. See you in next video.